special thanks to you for emceeing the evening. Can I begin by acknowledging the Indigenous people who offer the blessing on our behalf this evening? And can I respond in the words of the Indigenous people of my country, Aotearoa, New Zealand, e na iwi, e na reo, e na rangatira mā tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. And in the languages of the Pacific, ka lopalala, malawa lei, whakalopalahi atu, ni sambula manaka, kia orana, and warm Pacific greetings to you all. So, a very big welcome from me as leader of UNDP to the prize ceremony tonight. And I start by especially welcoming the big guests of honour, those from local and Indigenous communities who are being recognised for their incredible contribution to sustainable development. They are the reason we are here, they inspire us, and we're all looking forward to hearing the stories of what they have done as they come across the stage shortly. We are a very broad audience tonight. Welcome to all from the People's Summit, from civil society. Welcome to the presidents, heads of state, prime ministers, senior officials, UN officials, academics, researchers, everybody who is here tonight. You're a wonderful and large audience, and we're going to have a great time as we celebrate this evening. So, all of you, give yourself a hand for being here. And can I especially also acknowledge the partners of UNDP's work through the Equator Initiative. I want to acknowledge governments of Norway, Germany, and Sweden. I want to acknowledge UN Environment Programme. I want to acknowledge Conservation International, the Convention on Biological Diversity, Fordham University, IUCN, PCI Media Impact, and RIO. All partners who are here tonight, and thank you for your ongoing support. Well, we're here for RIO+20. We are here 20 years on from an Earth Summit, which challenged nations and communities alike to make progress on sustainable development. And I guess one of the messages we take from the amazing local initiatives we're honouring this evening is that people don't wait for governments to act. People can and do act and get on with it. And that's why I feel so proud of the achievements we will be recognising. And through the Equator Prize, we can highlight how the local initiatives for sustainable management of ecosystems are not only good for the environment, but they empower local people and increase their livelihoods, capacities and options as well. And to support such work is central to what the UN Development Programme does. And I might say the experience we get of working at the local level alongside local communities helps us to address the global challenges as well. And there are so many global challenges, and this 2 weeks at Rio is obviously addressing a very wide range of them. But out of tonight's winners, we see the local solutions. Local solutions on issues like food security. And I noted Sudan's Zenab for Women in Development, an amazing initiative winning a prize tonight, which organises thousands of women around food security issues. A great deal to admire in their efforts. I noticed the initiative for adaptation to climate change from the community in Morocco's high Atlas Mountains. I noticed the community which has really showed the importance of empowerment, women and the land from Tajikistan, empowering women farmers. This is innovative, it's wonderful, and it's going to be amazing to hear more of the stories later this evening. So tonight is about honouring those who don't wait. Tonight is about honouring those who have got on and made a difference for sustainable development across its dimensions in their communities. And moving forward from RIO+20, it will be so critical to affirm and support the central role of the community-based organisations and local initiatives in delivering sustainable development solutions, truly showing that they think global, they act local, and they do make a difference. And I think we will all leave tonight very inspired by their work. Thank you very much and enjoy the evening.